Hello guys. A lot of people were saying that their game is lagging badly. They are facing FPS drops, game freezes, connectivity, high MS, and matching issues. Windows 11 is also running very slow for many users. First of all, I apologize for the late video. The reason for the delay was that I was searching for the best possible settings, which took some time. In this video, all of your issues will be fixed. I know the video might be a bit long, but please do not skip it. Every single step is important. Also, do not miss the software that I show in this video because it is extremely important for getting the best performance. First of all, you need to create a restore point so that if you face any issue, your Windows can be reverted back to its previous state. For that, go to search and type create a restore point, then open it. Select drive C. If it shows off here, there is nothing to worry about. Simply click on configure, turn it on, then click OK. After that, select drive C again and click create. Now give it any name you want. I'll name it first and click create. Once it's done, close it. Up to this point, we have created a backup. Normally, you won't need it if you do not skip any part of the video. Before we move forward, download this file. You will find it on my Discord server in the Gameloop settings section. This file contains GPU settings and commands that we will use later in the video. Now, let's start optimizing Windows to make it lighter and faster. First, search game mode in the search bar and turn it on. Then go to graphics and turn both options on. These settings will also can apply on Windows 10 and help keep your CPU and GPU stable. Second, turn off core isolation. Simply search core isolation and turn all three options off. Now we will customize Windows to improve performance. Right-click on this PC, go to Properties, then open Advanced System Settings. Click on Settings and enable the options shown on your screen, then click OK. At this point, we have improved Windows stability and made Windows 11 fast but not faster. Next, search PowerShell and run the command. You can find this command inside the settings file. After you run the command, this interface will appear. Now be careful here. Go to Tweaks. The options on the left side are for desktop users and the options on the right side are for laptop users. If some options do not appear, there is nothing to worry about. You may find them in advanced tweaks below. If they are not there either, simply leave them unchecked. After essential tweaks, go to advanced tweaks and check all the boxes shown. Once all boxes are checked, click Run Tweaks. This process will take some time, so please be patient. Guys, I put a lot of hard work into making this video, so please like and share it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. Now, many of you might be wondering what this actually does. While this is completing, let me explain. Basically, it completely shuts down unnecessary things in Windows, like Microsoft Edge and OneDrive that you don't really need. It also reverts some things to older versions, such as the right-click interface, which helps make Windows faster. If you are applying these settings on Windows 10, some tweaks may not run. You can simply ignore those. Now we will set Windows to Ultimate Performance mode. Search for Edit Power Plan and open it. From here, go back. If you do not see the Ultimate Performance plan, run Command Prompt as administrator. After that, paste the command provided in the settings file, run it, and then close CMD. Now go back once and click here again. You will see Ultimate Performance. Select it and close the window. Now it's time for the GPU settings. These settings are only for Nvidia users. If you are using AMD, skip this part. AMD users can contact me on Discord and I will guide them with the settings. First, open Nvidia Control Panel and go to Adjust Image Settings with Preview. Now select the third option, move the slider to Performance, then select the second option and click Apply. Next, go to Configure Surround. Select your GPU as the Fios X processor and click on Apply. Now go to Manage 3D Settings and make sure all settings are exactly the same as shown in the settings file I provided. Once you finish all the settings, go to Program Settings and click Add, then click on Browse. Navigate to the Gameloop installation folder and open the UI folder. If you are playing on OpenGL, add Android Emulator EN. If you are playing on DirectX, which is best for performance, add Android Emulator EX. I personally play on DirectX, so I will add EX. After you add, click on Apply. Now Gameloop will take full performance from your GPU. Next, we will do some more Windows settings. Some of these settings are not available in Windows 10, so Windows 10 users can ignore those. First, right-click on the desktop, go to Personalize, then open Dynamic Lighting and disable both options. After that, go to Apps, then go to Advanced App Settings and disable Archive Apps, and make sure Share Across Devices is off. Now go back and go to Startup. Disable all the apps you do not need. Next, go to Accessibility, then Visual Effects, and disable these 3 options. Now go to Privacy and Security. Here you need to disable these 4 options. Open them one by one and turn everything disable inside. For the last option, just select Enhanced from here. Next, go to System and turn notifications off, and enable the second option so you don't receive any kind of notification while gaming. Now we will make some changes in the registry editor. Here, I need your full attention because this part is a bit sensitive but very effective. First, we need to export the registry. Go to File and click on Export, give the file a name, and click on Save. Now we will apply the registry commands one by one. Copy the first command from the settings file and paste it here. Then double-click on the scheduling category and set it to High. Scheduling refers to how Windows prioritizes and allocates CPU resources between different tasks and processes. In simple terms, it decides which program gets CPU time how much. When scheduling is set to high, Windows gives higher priority to applications you actively use, such as Gameloop. This results in better performance and smoother gameplay. Next, copy and paste the second command. Double-click on Win32 priority separation and set the decimal value to 38. If Win32 priority separation is set to 38, the foreground application gets more CPU priority. FPS becomes more stable. Input lag and micro stutters are reduced. Now paste the third command. This command is for network throttling. If you do not find network throttling index, do not panic. Simply right-click, create a new DWORD 32-bit value, rename it to networkthrottling.index. Double-click on it, enter 8F in hexadecimal, and click OK. Now open System Responsiveness and change the decimal value to 10. 10 is the minimum safe value. If you set it lower than 10, you may face issues, so 10 is the best option. Now it's time for the software I was talking about. This software makes your gaming smooth and stable, and keeps your MS and latency very stable. The software is ExitLag. I know many of you are already familiar with it, but I will show you the correct settings. If you're thinking that ExitLag is expensive, I have a solution for that as well. Simply join Gamsco using the link I've provided and purchase ExitLag from here at a much lower price. Please ignore this seller because I tested it myself for your safety by purchasing first, and that seller does not respond properly. I recommend buying from this seller. Now let's set up ExitLag. First, log in to ExitLag using the account provided by the seller. After logging in, go to Connection Settings. Here we will add Gameloop so ExitLag can optimize it. Click on Add, then search for Gameloop from the list of games. Click on Gameloop, then click on Choose a region or server. Ignore all other options and select all regions. This allows ExitLag to connect you to the best possible server automatically. Now simply click on Apply Routes. At this point, Gameloop is optimized, but we'll apply a few more settings. Before that, you can use the Network Analyzer to check how's your network work without ExitLag. Now go to PC Boost and set System Performance Enhancement to High Performance. Then click on RAM Cleaner and clean your memory from here. Next, go to General Settings. Make sure these 3 options are enabled. Also enable Real-Time Optimization and Hardware Data Monitoring. Set the Root Analysis Protocol to UDP/TCP. That's it. All settings are now complete. You can start playing and enjoy smooth and stable gameplay. Now let's watch a few clips that I recorded after applying these settings. Please make sure to like and share this video with your friends. Also comment and let me know whether your lag and connectivity issues are fixed or not. If you're still facing any issues or if you want to discuss any other topic, you can contact me on Discord.